Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and for those of you that have been a subscriber for a long time, welcome back and thank you for sticking in there with me. I know it's been months since I posted, and I know I started posting and then I stopped, but you know, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, life happens, and I've been really busy. So today I am going to show you guys how I curl my hair. As you guys can see, my hair has grown a lot. I think last time I was on here I must have had like braids, or maybe I still had like a buzz cut, or I was on like my 5th or 6th big chop or something like that. But this is what she's looking like right now. This is what my hair is looking like. A lot of length. I don't think, like, my kids, my hair's grown so much in the past what, 8 months or something like that. Like, my oldest is 9. He's about to be 10 next month. He has never seen me with this much hair on my head, unless it was a wig or some hair extensions. Like, he's never seen me with this much hair on my head. My baby has never in his life seen me with this much hair on my head. I started cutting my hair when my oldest was 3 months. So the longest he has ever seen my hair, or the longest he remembers seeing my hair, was like a pixie cut. So like this is like big for me. But if you guys want to see how I curl my, I don't know, I call it short hair. Some people consider this medium length hair. It's like right here, I guess collarbone. Yeah. So short, medium length hair. Then continue watching. So today I'm going to show you guys how I curl it. So I like to spray the Tresemme Heat Tamer, and everybody knows about this product. This is the famous heat protectant, or in my opinion the best heat protectant. So I sprayed this in my hair before blow drying it the other day, and I haven't sprayed it since then, so I'm just gonna spray it now. And another tip that I learned is, if you have the Not Your Mother's, but this one, this is a heat protectant too. I love Not Your Mother's stuff, and you can spray that one in your hair after you curl it. I don't know if you can do that with this one, but I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. So, and then I like to take my comb and comb it through. What I do is I part my hair out. So I like to start from this side. I take this, and today I'm going to be using the Conair. I believe this is the 1-inch barrel. I typically use a flat iron, but I'm just going to use this today. And I hold, once I let it go, I kind of hold it and let it dry like that. And then I move on to the next piece. And the reason why I do this like this, because this is the section that I tuck behind my ear. My son's in trouble and he's getting on my nerves right now. If you guys see me looking crazy, I'm looking at him in the mirror. That's right here. So now I move it on to the back portion. And I don't touch the curls until I'm done with my entire head. And this doesn't take me long at all. So what have you guys been up to? What's going on with you guys? I'm still in my suite. If you're in the Atlanta area and you need a makeup artist, definitely come and see me. I'm located at the Phoenix Salon Suite in Johns Creek. I'm mostly there on the weekends. Well, no, I'm like, I go in when yeah, on the weekends. That's when my clients come there. Typically, I'm at home, or there's a client that I go to every day, and I'm with her for an extended period of time. So, and then my other clients, I just see them on the weekends. And yeah, I've been loving it. I love being at the suite. I noticed, like, I got a lot of feedback from the suite. A lot of people love coming there because it's not like going to a beauty salon. because it's a private room. And I find that a lot of people have never heard of like personal beauty suites. So it's like everybody has their own room. When you have a client, you don't have like a whole bunch of clients sitting there because everybody's on a time schedule. So if your client comes, usually they're sitting in the lobby, and that way if somebody doesn't want anyone to see what they look like without makeup on, they have that what's it called? They have privacy. And a lot of people like that. So for this side, like this side, I curl it backwards. So this side, I also curl it backwards. I'm always afraid that I'm gonna burn myself. Oh, speaking of hair too, yo, I found my first gray hair about a month or two ago. And I kid you not, like a week or two after that, I found a second one. But the weird thing is that one of them isn't gray all the way. Like, it's not gray at the root. It's gray, like, on the end. So, like, there's a good 1.5 inches or so that's just black hair, and the rest of it is gray, which is weird. And I looked it up, and it said something about, it's not common, but they found that some people, I guess kind of like with cell renewal or something, they're able to reverse grain or something like that. Something about their bodies like able to reverse grain, which I really hope that's the case. But since I have that one section or that one strand that is completely gray from the root to the tip, I'm leaning towards that's not the case. So with this section, I am going to curl it backwards. And if you notice, I don't really part my hair in small sections because I am not looking for super tight curls. I just wanted to have some curl to it. So I was talking about gaining weight or whatever. I don't want to well, I've been doing ab workouts and isolated glute workouts, and I think it's working out for me pretty good. I do drink protein, which is cool. I like it. I make like different types of protein shakes, and I just recently started incorporating maca root. So I have the gold maca root, which gives it like a little bit of like, to me, it's like a little bit of a curry turmeric flavor, which I don't mind. So what I do is with the maca root, I put that in my oatmeal in the morning, and I put it in my shake. And I think I need to stop putting it in my what's it called? I need to stop putting it in my oatmeal prior to heating it up, because that's what I've been doing. I don't know. I feel like when I cook it, it smells weird. So now that everything is completely curled, so I don't go in with a comb and curl it or comb it. I just finger comb it. So this is what I do. Alright, so for my edges, I don't go in and like straighten them again or anything like that. I just go in with the edge tamer and those paper wraps, I guess. So I use the Mielle Edge Gel. And this one is really good because it doesn't make my hair white or anything like that. I was using the, what is it called? What's the one that everyone uses now? I was using the Edge Booster, and that was doing something serious to my edges. Like, my edges were so white and nasty looking. And then I found this one, and I I started using it and I love it. Now I will say that it gets like, it gets kind of like if you put beeswax on your hair, you know, like how beeswax has that feeling, like it gets I don't know, I can't explain it. Like it feels like it's just thick on your edges. So I used this in the front of my hair, like so. So you see how slick I got that. And that's pretty much it. So I'll go in and just wrap this. Wrap my edges up, and this is how I've been wearing my hair. Some days it comes out better than others. I feel like right now my hair is just a little bit too clean, and that's why it's not holding so well. But I will post a picture right here of how it looked the other day when I did it. I did use a flat iron for this picture. I typically don't use this, but I wanted like more softer curls, and yeah. So this is how it looks. If you want tighter curls, use a flat iron, and it'll be tighter. But yeah, I love this style. I've been wearing it just about every day, and the days that I'm not wearing it, I just put on a cap. It's still like in this style. I just put a cap on it and it still looks cute. Or I put it in a ponytail. But this is how it looks in the back. Nothing special. As you guys can see, my hair has grown a lot. I really haven't been touching it, and that's what helped it grow. So if you guys still love my hair videos and want to see more how I take care of my hair, like what I do on wash days, or I'm thinking about doing a skincare series, because a lot of people love my skincare videos. I don't know, I think it's because I'm old, guys. I'm like old. Like I don't even think you guys realize how old I am. And like everybody always thinks like I'm 19, 20 years old, but I'm like way older than that. Yeah, so I'm thinking about doing a skincare video and showing you guys what I do to my skin and all that jazz. If you have any video requests, please leave them down below. Or let's have a vote. Do you guys want to see a skincare video, or do you guys want to see how I shave my face? Yes, shave my face. How I shave my face and prep it before applying makeup. That'll be a good one. If you guys want to see that, vote down below, and whichever one wins, that's the one that I am going to post. I'm honestly thinking about just posting like one video a week, because I think I was trying to do too much and I just kind of got burnt out quickly with this channel. And I know I want to do makeup, but I know you guys initially subscribed for my hair videos, so then I kind of feel obligated to continue to put those out. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think.